It's raining outside, but I can enjoy the skylight under the sun in my room with the Skylight Floor Lamp. See? This floor lamp you can freely enjoy by yourself by dimming the app in your cell phone. This is a 2-yard app. You can feel the light differences through the light, color, temperature, to warm white, and the brightness. This is the full spectrum. So this is totally at your client's hand with the app. Easily to adjust your atmosphere at home. So this is the one, the floor lamp for the skylight. We have developed this floor lamp skylight for more than 2 years, but we are looking for the right type of customer who are ready to bring some enjoy the light experience to the customer, who appreciate innovation, who appreciate making something different, and also good vibe to the customer. If you are interested, you can contact me. I'm Ilona, knows good light, good people, and good vibe.